Hello. I'm working on a 2005 Kia Sedona, and as you can see from the body of the oil pan, it's wet, and around here is dry. So what we'll be doing is changing the gasket and to take care of the leak. So just follow me as we go through the process. And what I'll be doing is that I'll be using a 10mm socket to take off these bolts. Stay tuned. Using a 17mm socket, we take the engine oil pan plug in order to get rid of the engine oil that is in the pan before taking off these these bolts with 10mm sockets. But for the engine oil plug, we need a 17mm socket. Okay, and give it a push. Okay, there we go. Hopefully this is not messy. Okay. So now that this is dripping low, I guess we go ahead and put the plug back. We take off the bolts here. Okay. So for this bolt, the socket cannot go through the gap. What you need to do is use a 10mm wrench and go in between the gaps from this side. Okay. There we go. Prying it. There we go. Okay. And there we are. So next thing we do is take all these things. Using a mini pick, we remove this remains of the sealant. Just be careful so that you don't scratch inside the hole and also on the surface. You can see this is done. So what we'll do is I will take the gasket out and prod the surface. So our surface is now prepped, and what we will do is this is the gasket that we'll be putting on. So since I'm doing this with one hand, I would skip and then show you when I finish putting the silicone. So this is how we spread it. So since we have everything laid out, we go ahead and put the gasket on it. Okay, so put the gasket on it, and just make the adjustment to make sure that it's aligned with the hose. So I'll just leave it that way, wait for a while, probably about 15 minutes, and then I can begin to assemble it. This is nighttime, so it's somehow dark around here. Hopefully this is able to work out for all of you to see. We then leave it to cure for about an hour, and after the hour we will then have to tighten it to spec, and then leave it for 24 hours for it to cure fully. When tightening the bolt, we'll do it crisscross. So from here, probably do it across here. Here. Using the 17mm wrench, we tighten the engine oil. Look, don't tighten it too much. At least once you feel it snap, you stop that way. Okay. The vehicle takes a 5W30, and we got the 4 synthetic. So the vehicle takes 4.5 quart. So we're going to pour about 4 quart, and also check and see if there are any leaks at our new gasket. As you can see, the edges are good, and there are no leaks. So we'll clean our bolts here, and we'll run the engine for a while and check for the oil level. So that is how to do a gasket change on the 2005 Kia Sedona. Please don't forget to subscribe and also like this video. Thank you for watching. And don't forget, the vehicle is always yours, so try to fix it.